Alright, this is my first time hearing an LT with this ticking noise. You can tell it's coming from the engine. LT138.